Welcome. Today, we're diving into a new update on Pinterest that allows you to manage message requests from friends on your PC. If you want to ensure that you're receiving messages from your friends, follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page. Here, you'll find various options to customize your Pinterest experience. To adjust your messaging preferences, locate and click on Social Permissions. This section is crucial as it governs how you interact with friends on Pinterest. Within the Social Permissions menu, look for the Messages section. You'll see an option next to Friends that says Edit. Click on this Edit button to proceed to the next step. This is where you can manage how you receive messages from your friends. Now, you'll be presented with several options regarding message requests. Choose Requests from the available settings. This selection allows you to receive messages from friends who send you requests. After making your choice, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom of the page to ensure that your settings are updated. And just like that, you've successfully adjusted your message permissions on Pinterest. By following these steps, you can now easily receive and manage message requests from your friends, enhancing your social experience on this creative platform. Remember, staying connected with friends on Pinterest can lead to discovering new ideas and inspirations together. So, make sure to check these settings regularly as updates may change how you interact with others on the platform. Happy pinning!